It's dude, the market's always been rigged. It's not rigged. It's not rigged to our pleasure.
Rigged.
It's not how the Queen Pelosi herself. I'm addressing you right now. How do you know that Nvidia is going to pop like that?
She's up about 30-something%.
How did you know that CrowdStrike was going to make that big of a move? How did you know?
Up. Rigged.
It's rigged. It's rigged. We're not saying that you can't trade inside. I'm just trying. I'm all I'm saying is let us know.
Just because when you're ready to open up that Discord channel, let me be your admin.
Yeah, let me be your admin in your Discord. I just want to be there to witness history. And you, ma'am, are creating history.
Yep.
Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Teflon John. It is Teflon John anniversary week, and we are going to keep celebrating Teflon John's wins. How was your day? How was your trading day?
Dude, it was rather a choppy day. Tech was actually running.
Yeah, 4 points for the Qs.
Yeah,
3-4 points for the Qs. Crazy.
Apple led it. Tesla read it. Zoom dumped.
Well, talking about Zoom, let's get to it. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Are you ready?
Go ahead.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
If you held calls through Zoom earnings, then your portfolio must be burning. Bustdowninvestments.com. Yeah.
That was a good one. You created that on the fly, huh?
That was a good one, yeah.
Because we mentioned Zoom the show. That was pretty good.
Oh man! Again, that's the reason why you it's a gamble, right? Earnings are a gamble, right? You take that risk on your own, right? 2020
calls are not cheap.
They're not cheap. 2020 Nico would probably have said, YOLO, and go full 10 contracts on that, and wake up tomorrow with nothing.
With spam.
With spam. Can you imagine that though? Can you imagine buying puts on Zoom? Whoever bought puts on Zoom.
Who would have thought though? Because Zoom had a good day today.
Oh yeah, they did.
Zoom had a good day today up until earnings.
Up until earnings. You know what that is? Here's the thing. Here's my theory. And again, I want to test this theory. I feel as if it's running up to earnings on the day of, that's the investors trying to buy as much as they can and then dumping it after hours.
But remember, you said you wanted to do a straddle strategy.
I know.
Puts.
I just keep forgetting.
Your puts would have, outran the calls. Yeah. Oh,
printed.
Yeah. Would have made more and would have hedged your calls. Yeah.
Super printed. Yeah, that would have been it.
It makes sense now. It makes sense.
Right? So now, if you guys are interested in the plays that we're talking about, right? I think, is it time for a long on Tesla?
Oh, making a public service announcement.
Oh, making a PSA here. If you guys are interested in our thoughts about Tesla, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up. Because if you give us a thumbs down, John,
your mama is married, but still sneaks out from time to time.
From time to time. From time to time. And answers to somebody named Gata. Answers to somebody named Gata that rides around in a box Chevy and asks her for money periodically on top of the hour on the same corner every night.
No, normally it's one of those Buick Sabres.
A Buick LeSabre?
LeSabre, yeah.
A Buick LeSabre.
Perfect.
A Buick LeSabre.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
LeSabre?
Oh my God!
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about. A box Buick LeSabre, a full-on scraper with 24-inch rims.
Oh yeah. Whoa, that trick.
Oh man, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Let's get to it after this intro. All right. Let's get through some slight member gains today, John. Not a whole lot of action on the member gains. We got Alvin at $71. A lot of people are still holding on to swings. That's the reason why we're experiencing this type of not a whole lot of gains today. You know what I mean? The director of sales himself with $71. I managed to eke out $250 just from the swings that I have. I'm still in the positions waiting for them to mature. And that's pretty much it for the member gains.
Hey, for my Tesla swing, I'm up like 7 bands on that.
Ooh, okay.
Don't ask me about love.
I mean, nobody ever did.
I'm bringing it up. Oh man.
Nobody asked you about love, John.
I wanted to bring it up, man, for the folks who are like, I wonder what's happening with love right now with John's calls.
What is happening with love, John?
Down the shitter.
Down the shitter. It is what it is for love. Let's take a look at the first stock that we want to cover. It's Twitter. I like Twitter.
Twitter looks good on a daily, man. That's a nice balance.
Let's go back to the time frame, the daily time frame on Twitter. Let's zoom in real quick here. It's just a perfect swing trade. If you guys are interested in a swing trade here, notice that the MACD on the daily chart is touched and wanting to cross over to the upside. There was higher volume today and higher buying volume today, which is definitely bullish. Look at the 9 wants to curl up and cross over to the upside. This is not an oversold stock, but we are within range of a potential run. The levels to watch here are 65.02 is what I marked it at. Yeah, 65.02. Anything above that and it holds your next level. We're gonna revisit the levels once it does pass through. But if you're looking for a swing trade, I like Twitter.
Solid.
Yeah, I like Twitter.
I like it too.
My wife is in there. She's gung ho for Twitter. She's a better trader than I am.
She's a better trader.
She's a way better trader than I am.
She should be on the show. Shoot. No audio. Hold on. Where's the audio at? Where's the audio? Where's your audio at?
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
No.
You muted yourself.
I did not mute myself. The system did. You never blame the individual. You always blame the system. User error. You always blame the website, John. You always have to blame the website. It doesn't work out your way. It's the website's fault. Next stock that we want to talk about is PayPal. PayPal had a very bullish news today. PayPal is taking on. PayPal wants to be the next Robinhood.
All right, so they're actually copying Square's platform.
So you're telling, all right, so let me ask you this, because Square's platform is this. Square owns Cash App, right? Yeah. And you could trade stocks through Cash App. Now,
no, you cannot. Don't say you can trade stocks on Cash App.
You can
buy, and then you can sell, and then you can buy again.
Explain yourself.
There's a difference, okay? Difference when you use Thinkorswim. Yes, you can trade stocks.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what I meant.
So, is PayPal going the same direction where they have Venmo?
Mm-hmm.
Are they going to use Venmo, kind of like a Cash App?
Yep. It might be.
I don't know. It might be ugly. I don't know how I feel about that.
Because I don't like Cash App's trading platform.
That's not even a platform. That's like a broker, like a middleman to your broker.
Yeah. Ugly. Yes.
I don't know.
You can't even target.
Yeah, you can't.
No. But it has all the cool information about, the company you're investing in, how many employees they have.
If you want to trade on fundamentals, like if you feel like they have one more employee than the other company, that's bullish news. We gotta stop doing that.
Strong, man.
I don't need to know how many employees you have in your company. I just want to know if it's gonna move or not. Like that's all I need to know. I don't need to know how many employees you have. That's not fundamental news to me. None whatsoever. But however,
on chart looks good.
Yeah, it does look good. It does look good for that it popped today. Here's one thing to note, though. There is still this gap fill that needs to happen, right?
Yep.
From
296, 297,
289.12. Yeah, 289.12 to 296.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's still a gap. So that's still more room to the top. Once that's filled, that's we don't know if that's going to get rejected or not. But today's candle is fairly strong. I want to take a look at after hours. After hours, it ran a little bit.
Yeah.
Closed at 288.47. Now we're at 289.55. So gap up tomorrow, possible, right? And we're gonna see if it gets rejected or not. But if you're looking at it from a trading technical analysis standpoint, flagpole, we might see some sideways action. So be prepared for that.
For the next 2 to 3 days, it might be just consolidation and then just pop again.
Exactly. A little bit for those technical analysis geeks like we are. This is pretty because look at the EMA 9 and the EMA 20. They're touching and they want to cross over the 50 in a bad way. It's sometimes when we thought that's my karaoke song, dude. But I like PayPal. We're gonna move forward with looking at some positions on PayPal. The next stock, and this is the reason why we want to do this video today, is it time to long Tesla, John?
Yes, it is. I've always been long Tesla. The
never
reason
short Tesla.
They're gonna invade India.
Tesla India's happening?
Yeah.
I like that news.
It will be. It's going to happen soon.
I like that news. Yeah, sooner than we thought. The Tesla chart looks primed and ready to go. Today was a solid move. 18, 20 point move, and it still ran to 734 after hours, right? 734.42 is the ask right now. One thing to note, however, if we zoom out, there is no level of resistance that I see. So the next level of resistance that we could be potentially testing is this 750.60.
That sounds about right. Well, check out the weekly chart, really.
Let's take a look at the weekly chart. There goes the weekly chart. The weekly chart, this is the levels of the weekly chart. If this stays and holds, because we have 3 touch points right here, anything above today looks really good from a weekly standpoint. It looks really good. I see Tesla to 1,000.
End of the year. Who's going to take the under on that one? What I'm trying to say is that I'm making a friendly bet here with a few friends of mine, and I'm taking Tesla over 1,000 by end of the year.
I like it. Over 1,000 by the end of the year.
Like it.
I like it. The MACD on the weekly just about opened up, right? We saw
the rally's coming, man. The rally's coming. Now the question that I have is, it is a good time to go long on Tesla. The question that I have that can potentially hinder this rally is September, the month of September. We're here. September is the worst month ever.
September is the worst month historically. Ever. Yeah, and we've the worst months that we've gone through as traders is September. So I think, in my opinion, we might want to. I wouldn't say hold off on this, but monitor this trade, right? If you have the funds to average down, but Tesla is one of those high beta stocks that volatility is always going to take effect into it. Because look at it today, 18-point move. And then tomorrow, 15-point to the downside. Potential. That's how Tesla moves. Right?
That's true. That sounds about right.
That's how Tesla moves. We'd be lucky if it's minus $8 tomorrow.
Yeah.
And it stays there.
I don't mind for a pullback tomorrow.
I'd love a pullback. I'd love a pullback. I'd love a pullback on Friday, I mean, Thursday, so I could get a 0 DTE in. But I see here, watch your levels on the weekly chart for 690, around 692-ish. That's your EMA 9. Hold that for support. And if you're looking at it from the daily standpoint, I would say 707.43. Anything below that, you're done.
Wow, perfect.
But the daily chart looks pretty. Look at this MACD, this Bollinger Band open. Yep. We didn't spike above it. We didn't get too greedy. I like it. I like it a lot.
Perfect.
Anything else to add to Tesla?
And it's not overbought either. So
it's not overbought either. Anything to add to Tesla?
That's good.
That's good. All right. That is pretty much it for today's episode of Daddy Bits. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because John, if they gave us a thumbs down, a full-on beaver consultant. Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Also, follow us on social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.